In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Yahoo email account to your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Whether you're setting up your first email on the device or adding an additional one, we've got you covered with this straightforward guide. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's easily recognizable by its gray icon that looks like a series of cogs or gears. This app is where you can manage almost all of your phone's features, not just emails, so it's definitely a cornerstone of your device. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down until you find the option labeled Mail. This section is specifically for handling any email-related settings, and it's divided into various subsections. Tap on Mail and you should be taken to its Settings menu. In the Mail settings, look for a section called Accounts. This is where all of your email accounts are listed and managed. Tap on Accounts, and here you can see any existing email accounts you might have already set up on your device. If you're adding your Yahoo email for the first time, the list might be empty or only show one or two accounts. Now, what you want to do next is tap on Add Account. This will open a new menu with a list of email services that are natively supported by iOS. From this list, you'll want to select Yahoo, the focus of our tutorial today. With Yahoo as your choice, the setup process is designed to be seamless thanks to Apple's pre-loaded support for various email providers. Once you've selected Yahoo, you'll see a prompt to enter your Yahoo email address and password. Go ahead and carefully type those in. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so make sure your caps lock is set correctly. After entering your credentials, you'll be guided through a series of prompts designed to help you sign in and authorize your account on your iPhone. Follow these prompts carefully. They may include security questions or additional permissions depending on your personal account settings. Finally, ensure that you grant all necessary permissions when prompted. These permissions allow your device to sync mail from Yahoo and display notifications when new emails arrive. By doing this, you guarantee that your Yahoo account is fully integrated into your iPhone's Mail app, providing you instant access to your emails wherever you are. And there you have it, a comprehensive and easy step-by-step guide to adding your Yahoo email to your iPhone. It's as simple as that, and now your Yahoo Mail is just a tap away on your device. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks to get the most out of your technology.